I'm a judge, so I get to do that. How hard is it for a football team to win a game when the referees, when the officials are on the other team? And that's what's been happening. For the last 20 years, we have had a Republican-dominated Supreme Court. So let's talk about the elephant in the room. In fact, let's talk about the elephants on the court. Right now, there's 5 of them. And we've got, has anyone ever looked at any of the gerrymandered districts that our legislature has set for our state? Gerrymandering is killing us. They're working to rig the system in every way, shape, and form they can. And the only way we're going to fix that, can we expect Snyder's appointees to fix that if it comes before the court? No! We need Judge Thomas. And we need me. And we need four to fix it. And you have an opportunity to get 2 for 1. Because you know what? I'm a Michigan taxpayer, and I'm happy to pay taxes for good schools, good services, good roads. But you know what I'm not too happy about? I'm not too happy about where we're at right now with some of the expenses we've had. If you look at the fact that we have a Republican House, a Republican Senate, a Republican governor, and a Republican Supreme Court. Well, now we've got the emergency manager law, but the way it's been operating, I like to refer to it as the emergency mismanager law. All right, so what are some of the things that I, as a taxpayer, now have to pay for because of emergency managers? All right, let's start with Flint. All right, so here we go. Water bills, $30 million. I'll put a 10 in for that. We gotta fix the pipes. I'll put another 10 in for that. We've got to pay for Bill Schuette's investigation. I'll put a 10 in for that. We've got to pay, do you know what we've got to pay for? We got to pay $3 million, $3.5 million to represent Governor Snyder with criminal attorneys, and he hasn't been charged with anything. Does that drive you crazy? All right, so I got to put in money for that. And then we've got, what about all the debt that Detroit Public Schools has as a result of the emergency manager? So I better put in a 20 for that. So, look, I'm a taxpayer. I don't mind paying for good services, but this, what? Here you go. There you go. So, we are happy to have an opportunity to take back the Michigan Supreme Court. I want to thank you for giving me a few minutes to address you. I want to thank the party for giving me an opportunity to run with Judge Deborah Thomas. I will tell you that we will be a voice to review gerrymandering. We will work for equal opportunity, equal protection. That means for every race, sexual persuasion, and religious group across the state. We will work for fair representation. We will work for there to be no special interests represented in the Supreme Court, equal pay for women, choice for women, keep kids in school, collective bargaining for our unions. Let's make a difference. I thank you. My name is Frank Szymanski. I'm running with Judge Deborah Thomas for the Michigan Supreme Court. And remember, if we don't have justice for everybody, we don't have justice for anybody. Thank you.